Online banking includes accessibility features designed to help personalize your experience. To get started, select Profile and Settings in the upper right corner, then choose Settings. Next, open the Customization tab. Here, you can adjust a variety of accessibility options to better fit your needs. Choose from different color themes, including colorblind-friendly options. You can also turn dark mode on or off and switch between English and Spanish. Your font settings can also be customized, including the options to use Open Dyslexic font for improved readability. Customization also allows you to manage your account visibility preferences. You can choose which accounts appear on your dashboard. Once you've made your changes, select Save. Your accessibility and customization preferences will update automatically across online and mobile banking. Have any questions? Contact our online support team.